Hi, welcome to the second video of introducing SynBUILD. In this video, we'll explore placeholders, place values, and plans. Placeholders are used throughout procedures. They allow steps to be created that have values dynamically inserted when they are executed. Placeholders are used in steps. They're usable in most step text fields. Let's create a step for each of our servers and try out some placeholders. A step placeholder is curly braces containing numbers, letters, underscores, or dots, and not preceded by a $sign. Now let's create our plan. In a plan, you map placeholders to place values. This mapping allows you to execute the procedure on multiple servers with all the right values. Here we have our ad hoc text val placeholder. We'll give that a value. Now we'll execute our plan. We'll need a new execution. Looking at the output from each step, you can see that the value in our plan has been dynamically inserted in our Linux step and our Windows step. That's the first and most simplest form of placeholders. Now let's look at the other form of placeholders. We have greater control over these placeholders. You can hide them when viewing a plan, and they have more properties that can be accessed. Here we have the 4 placeholders we used in our demo. These are the same placeholders we select for server and OS credential when creating a step. Now we'll unhide these. You can also click Show All in the plan to see hidden placeholders. We can define the text placeholders that we've used earlier. When we do this, our placeholder changes from a freeform text field to a drop-down. Placeholders themselves have no details. It's the place values that have details. Here are our place values from our demo. We need to create a text place value for the text placeholder we just defined. Now we've created that, let's look at our place values. Here you can see our Windows Server place value and its properties. And our Windows User place value. Keep their properties in mind, we'll use them in our step. We'll echo all the properties of our place values to demonstrate how these can be accessed. From our step, we can refer to any placeholder and any property of the place value it's mapped to. It's a powerful feature. The names of our placeholders are stripped when the mapping is done. It's this stripped name that we need to match. If no placeholder is found, they show up as normal text placeholders in the plan. This placeholder won't match any of our defined placeholders. You can refer to any placeholder in SynBUILD, and any placeholder you refer to will show up in the plan for mapping. Let's see what this has done to our plan. You can see a few changes. Our hidden placeholders are no longer hidden, but otherwise they're unchanged. Our ad hoc textval1 placeholder is now a drop-down box. And we have a new undefined text placeholder called server.name. It didn't match our defined placeholders. We can't execute our plan with unmapped placeholders. We need to fill them out. Now let's create a new execution for our plan and execute it. You can see from the output of each step that it's grabbed the properties from our place values. Lastly, let's demo creating another plan for a procedure. To do this, we'll create 2 new server place values. We'll cheat and point them to the same IP address as our existing test servers. Next, we create a new plan and set our new place values. And finally, execute our new plan. You can see that it now reflects the values from the mapping in our new plan. In this video, we've dived into placeholders, place values, and plans. They're the magic that allow you to create reusable procedures that you can perfect and then run on multiple servers time and time again. They also allow you to factor out values you may change from time to time, such as software version numbers, passwords, file system paths, and more. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The next video will show you one of SynBUILD's best advantages, how it enables fast and painless debugging of your script. Thanks for watching.